Hi again. Well, this time after a sunset mountain bike residential trail ride and a quick cruise on my in-laws' pontoon boat, we headed for Camp Verde and an RV site near the Verde River. We set up in another 1,000 Trails park. The last time we were here, there was quite a bit of upgrades underway. Looks like they did a good job and the park looks really nice now. They could probably qualify for their encore status. We, my in-laws and us, were able to snag 2 sites next to each other. Warm days and cool nights make for a very nice stay. We spent a day touring the local towns, one so small, Clarkdale, that at 25 miles per hour I blinked and we had already driven halfway through. One morning, Jim and I left the ladies to relax in the AC while he and I went on a short hike down to the river. We spotted a squadron of peccary, yes, flyboys, they are called a squadron, on the opposite side, but they were too quick, and I was a little too surprised to get any of them on film. I'm pretty sure I recognized 2 of them though, Gregory Peccary and of course Olivia D'Avelina. Sorry, I couldn't resist. We put the drone up later in the day and noticed that there was a winery not far from our campsite, right up against the river. So we made plans to visit it the next day. A short drive out our park and down a dirt road and we were there. The Alcantara Vineyards and Winery, 87 acres and around 1,400 or so vines, well-manicured grounds, quaint little house and a chapel, and 2 very knowledgeable ladies to organize tastings and answer all our questions. While there, we saw folks brought in by limo, car, scooters, and even some kayaked in. Beautiful flowers and bouquets with many awards on the walls. We spent part of the next day in Cottonwood, just to see the sights. Later we got a chance to see the Verde Canyon Railroad, but were too late to make the last 4-hour round trip. Maybe on another visit. It looked like it might be a lot of fun. Finally, we drove into Jerome. It's an old mining town built on the side of a mountain, now kind of a touristy community. When we're traveling with our RV, everything becomes an adventure. It adds to the excitement of discovery. It forces us to slow down and drink in the beauty and smell the roses. And after living in a large city, then getting out on the road, you realize that it's the little things, like being able to look up and not see just streetlights, but to actually get a glimpse of the heavens. I do enjoy the trips, large and small, and I'm always looking forward to what's around the next corner. We'd like to see you again next time. And until then, if you enjoyed the video, please give us a like. If you'd like to see more, click on that notification bell to get a reminder. And if you can, please click on subscribe to show YouTube that you appreciate all our work. Hope we got a little smile out of you. See you soon.